Meet the SuperBox S7 Series, the ultimate streaming upgrade of 2025. Engineered for brilliance, the S7 transforms any TV into a powerhouse smart entertainment system. This year's model introduces a stunning new interface: a universal Type-C power port, expanded storage support with a built-in hard drive interface, and upgraded 7-day playback, with even more features coming soon. Enjoy flawless plug-and-play setup, next-level voice control, and breathtaking streaming clarity. Ready to get connected? Just unbox your SuperBox S7 box. Plug in the power using the new Type-C cable, and connect to your TV with the included HDMI cable. It turns on automatically. Then, choose your internet connection. Go wireless with Wi-Fi, or wired with Ethernet. The SuperBox S7 Series comes equipped with a gigabit Ethernet port, supporting speeds up to 1000 Mbps for supercharged, buffer-free browsing. Prefer Wi-Fi? It's dual band 2, 4G plus 5G, and Wi-Fi 6 compatible, designed to maximize stability and speed. Switching networks is easy too. Anytime you want to change, just head to Settings, Network and Internet, and select your preferred Wi-Fi. It's that simple. Elevate your entertainment with the SuperBox S7 Series, smarter, faster, and built for the future.